Hello guys, hello. Our next project is this tools. We cannot make it, name it machine, it's tools. You can put it on your workshop. It's for bending sheet metals. As you can see, this 10 mm thickness, this 3 or 4. This also is 10 mm. This chain name, the metallist, you can see he make this roller. This chain name, as I said, is the metallist. He have 233,000 subscriber. We will follow his video to design this machine. As you can see, test it is to make a cone. It's a sheet metal. I think it's about 3 mm. It's a manual. It's not driven by a gearbox. It's just manual. I think it's easy. It's not required too much power to do it. As I told, it's very nice to use it in your workshop if you need, or home using like that. It's easy also to remove piece. This ring he make it. It's a large 30 mm and thickness 10 mm. So guys, subscribe, like and follow for more videos like that. I will try to make it shorter, to make video also easy to understand on design. Thank you for watching.